Welcome, in front of me is a MEDION X5004, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So when you boot the device for the first time, you'll be presented with the welcome screen where you get to choose the language. Now, I'm gonna stick with English, but if you want to select any other language, all you need to do is just scroll up and down till you see the language that you want to have. And let's tap on the arrow, and you will see the insert SIM card. That will appear assuming you don't actually have a SIM card inserted. You can completely skip that and do that later on. It will change basically nothing. So you can tap on skip or put in a card right now. And then you will have the Wi-Fi setup. Now this is also skippable. You don't need to connect to Wi-Fi, for instance, if you don't have one at the moment present. If you wish to, you can just tap on the Wi-Fi that you want to connect to. And then put in the password. I'm gonna skip it so it saves on time. The only benefit of it is you can then log into Google. So I just skip anyway. Then the name of the device, and last you can set it up to or skip it. I think this will be also like an autofill for certain options where it asks you about your name and last name to fill out like information. So you can write here whatever. You can also leave it empty and it accepts it as well. Then you have Google services on the next page right here. So you can read each one what it does. You can tap on learn more. It gives you a more comprehensive overview. You can also disable all of those if you don't like it. So for instance, help improve localization services. So Google doesn't actually track you all the time. Let's tap on next and you'll see setup complete. So finish, and we're basically in the home screen. Well, there we go. So that is how you go through the setup process of the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.